Hello everyone, this is Pamper 2. Today I decided to try and get this thing working. I've had it for a couple years and I've attempted modifying it several times. And today I finally built the DC power supply for the 120 volts, and I heard the high voltage come up, so I ran out and grabbed my phone. And so let me go over what's happening here. This is what is this? It's a Sony CHM-9001 CRT. This is the absolute top in quality. Underneath that would be the BVM and the CHM, and then PVM for their business computer monitors and video equipment for the Trinitron tube. Anyway, this is the highest grade one they had, which was the CHM, and it came out of a Tektronix, or no, HP oscilloscope, or a logic analyzer. I have another one sitting here. So it came out of a 16500A logic analyzer, and it is a full color CRT at a high resolution from 1988. So what I did here is I soldered on the red, green, and blue, horizontal and vertical, that comes from the computer. Right here is 5 volts, I think. There's a 5 volt pin, a 12 volt pin that I soldered to, and over here there's a 120 volt pin, which didn't work at first. No, it still doesn't work. But what I attempted doing, because I was on the verge of giving up, is I just connected the 120 volts directly to this pin over here, and it made a big spark. So I knew that was pulling enough current to, it might actually turn on. And so I got the 100 volts coming from these two laptop power supplies. They're 48 volts each in series. And I have 12 volts from this side and 5 volts from this side. And this is going to be displaying the 100 volt coming from the power supplies over there. So this is the big wire mess. And I've already been shocked several times, so it's only temporary. Okay. I heard the high voltage come up, and there's static. 12 volts. Why aren't you pulling more than you were? Oh, yeah, you could hear it. I was really unprepared for this video, so and I've been working on this for hours and just kind of brain dead. But I got a raster. Well, a collapsing raster. So I know that it's powered right. Woo! And so the plan for this was to turn it into a nice, desk computer monitor, since it is 800 by 600, or it might even be 1024 by 768, but I'm pretty sure it's probably 800 by 600 full color. I'll get some better video of this later, but so I got high voltage. Now I just have to work on the video signal getting into the device. I see that. That's cool. Alright, well that's, I'm going to write down everything and how it's hooked up and which pins were where so I can rearrange this in a more pleasing manner. Because there's only so much lack of safety you can do per step, and it has to be condensed and into the safe version so I can then work on the video section. But all I think I need to do is take a VGA cable. We got blue, green, red, horizontal, vertical, and that's it. This monitor originally was, I think, an EGA or CGA mode because of the HP scope being advertised as only having 13 clear colors. But the tube itself is just a color CRT, and so I should be able to pump in regular computer monitor output, analog video output. I have another one up there. Actually, what is this one here? This came out of the Tektronix. It's not labeled, but that one's from a Tektronix scope. And yes, I think I have another one somewhere else, but that's it for now. And I'll do a better video when I have a little more information. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.